All right, 2 separate pieces. Stacks right there, 2 poles. Got this bungeed so it doesn't fall down on me. And then left the press arms on. Left all those cables on. Attached to the one pulley. There's the corner. This is loosely attached, so you can pull that apart and put it back on when you do the stack again. Cable's right there. It's already threaded. Everything's fine. Main wheel is going to get attached to that cable there. All these cables are together. This whole thing, left the butterfly arms on also. See if we can get it in the truck and transport it without taking everything off. Again, these pads will come out easy. They just pull right out, and so is this just unscrews and pulls right out right there. So I'll leave it as is and see what we have to transport it, and leave it how it is right now.